Hi all, welcome to another Stride Conductor demo. Today I'll be showcasing Conductor automating the code generation for a batch of backlog tickets. This simulates how a normal software team would make changes on a code repository by taking individual tickets, branching off of main, and creating a pull request with the updated code. Today we'll be doing this with our benchmark to-do app. I have a couple of tasks here. We'll run a batch of tickets for this repo. I have my repo pulled up here. Um, we'll have Conductor refine a set of tickets that I've stored in a CSV file, as we see here. So that would be add capability to delete a to-do item, add capability to edit a description of a to-do item, and then have to-do items be displayed in uppercase. So this sort of has a range of full stack changes, front end changes, back end changes that allow a user to kind of make meaningful updates to their to-do items. So here's my CSV. I'm gonna go ahead and have Conductor refine these tickets with this command. And I'll let it run. So here, Conductor is going to intake the CSV file. Imagine you have a backlog of tickets. And then with the context of the code base, output another CSV where it is a refined version of these tickets. So it's doing that entire backlog refinement process in a matter of minutes. So I'll go ahead and let this run. And there we go. We now have this outputted CSV file with refined user stories. As you can see, each of my tickets now have a user story here with some acceptance criteria and some technical notes. So it's done that for each of the 3 tasks. I'm now going to allow Conductor to batch all of these tickets and write code in separate branches for each of these tickets. So I'm going to go ahead and input the command to read from this file and to write the code. So as you can see, it's now running. It has created this new branch, Conductor /1 -- deleted to do item, taking the title of the ticket, input it into a branch, and is now going to write the unit tests as well as the code for each of these tickets. And now it's completed the first ticket. It took only under a couple minutes. And so let's go ahead and commit the change into this new branch. And now it's going to go ahead and work on the next one. So it's now checked out of main, created a new branch out of main, called it Conductor 2 -- edit a to-do item, and is now working on the second ticket. Let's go ahead and look at our repo here in GitHub. As you can see, we now have a new branch that has pushed a couple of commits. Let's go ahead and look at the pull request here. As you can see, it has our user story that we had previously. As you scroll down, you'll see all of the code changes made on both the back end as well as the front end, as well as the tests that were written as well. So this has been the first ticket that was done in a couple of minutes. Let's now go ahead and let it run through the next couple. All right, now it's completed the last task. I'm going to go ahead and commit the changes so we can go ahead and push it up to GitHub. And now I'm checked back out of main. Let's go ahead and look into my repository on GitHub to see those 3 pull requests. And there we go. As you can see, we now have a branch for editing a to-do item. We can go ahead and look at the code here. We have our task, the code for all of the changes with regards to editing items, as well as a pull request for updating the display of each item to have uppercase letters. And this just shows the power of having agentic teams working on a backlog of tickets, all done under 15 minutes. So thank you all for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.